The Galaxy Note 9 will come with an additional hardware button mounted on the left-hand side of the unit, according to a new leak. Reliable Tipstrice Universe took to Twitter on June 9 to share a render, as well as a hands-on image, of a case that's set to launch alongside the Galaxy Note 9, and they unearth a couple of interesting design choices, including a new hardware button. It's no secret that Samsung was hoping to debut its in-screen optical fingerprint reader on the Galaxy Note 9, but, for whatever reason, the much-anticipated authentication tech wasn't ready in time for its manufacturing deadline. Now its plan B has been uncovered, a rear-mounted fingerprint reader, nestled beneath the handset's dual camera. It's a similar setup to that of the Galaxy S9, but instead of housing the sensor in the center, it's in the upper third of the unit. The render also highlights a new hardware button, located on the left side of the device. Its function remains unknown at present, though some believe it's a dedicated camera toggle, something Samsung used to bundle on its smartphones. We've long said that the Galaxy Note 9 will be an iterative upgrade, meaning it should look near identical to the Galaxy Note 8, and this latest render all but confirms our suspicion, with the handset touting the same camera layout as its predecessor. Appearance aside, the Galaxy Note 9 is rumored to feature a 6.3-inch edge-to-edge Infinity display, a Snapdragon 845 CPU and at least 6 GB of RAM. It should also ship running Android 8.0 Oreo skinned with Samsung's Experience user interface.